Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Cash App spending analytics. Start by opening Cash App and logging into your account. On the home screen, tap the Activity tab at the bottom. This section shows all your recent transactions, including payments sent and received, deposits, and withdrawals. Next, to get a clearer picture of your spending patterns, tap the Insights or Spending option if available in your app version. Here, Cash App organizes your expenses by categories like food, shopping, bills, and more. You can review your spending over different time frames, weekly, monthly, or custom periods. This helps you where your money goes and identify areas where you might want to cut back. Cash App also provides visual charts and graphs in analytics section. These visuals make it easy to understand your spending distribution at a glance. To dive deeper, tap any category to see detailed transactions within that group. This is useful if you want to check specific payments or compare expenses across categories. You can also set spending alerts or budgets within Cash App to get notified if you approach or exceed your limits. This keeps you in control and helps you avoid overspending. If you use multiple linked accounts or cards in Cash App, you can analyze spending per account to see which payment method you use most and how much you are spending from each. Another helpful feature is exporting your spending data. Some versions of Cash App let you download transaction history or reports, making it easier to review your finances offline or with budgeting tools. Remember, regular review of your spending analytics makes you helps you make smarter financial decisions and improve your money management over time. So this was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell of our channel subscribe section. So see you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much for watching.